morning guys, welcome back to another new video. And today we're gonna make a vlog on Belur and Halebeedu, and let's get out from here. Hello guys, this will be the start of the ride. Let's go. Let's see the reading. It's 12,803. And let's break the barrier of 500 kilometers today. Well guys, today's morning is very pleasant actually, and the road is quite nice and straight, and anyway the vehicles are very fast around here actually. Well, my bike is around 125cc, so I have to take care of my speed, and it may want to hamper my engine. That's why I'm maintaining my speed at 60 kilometers per hour.
Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like.
So we have ended the nice road now. So we'll be heading towards the Tumkur road, and from there we're gonna take left to Hassan. So turn towards the Hassan road now, and from here I think totally I think it's around 153 kilometers from here, around 153 kilometers, and here it looks.
Push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like.
I'm finding a hotel to have breakfast from that time. I don't know when I'll get my hotel here, but anyway, it's very windy around, and so hi guys, so the time is 9:05. So just now I had my breakfast here. So from now the Hassan is 100 kilometers from now, so let's hit the highway. Well, welcome to Hassan city. Wow, now we are officially entering into Hassan, and from here I think Halebeedu. Oh no, Halebeedu, I think here only we will get Halebeedu road actually. Let's see. Now at least I have entered the city, and now we're gonna find out where is Halebeedu road. So I'm already too late, man. This is already around what is the time now? It's already 11, like it's 10 minutes for 11 o'clock, but it's okay. My target was around 10 o'clock to reach here, but anyway I reached at 11 o'clock. It's fine. Let's see what we can do and what time we'll reach and what time. Okay. Till then. What a view, guys. This is really awesome actually. This is very cool and very nice. Guys, and now I'm in Hoysaleshwara Temple here. It's a quite awesome place. You can see backside. Very old temple from the times of Hoysala dynasty. Well, Hoysala has a very great history actually. It's in Karnataka history. Anyway, today is Karnataka Rajyotsava, and anyway, I'm feeling proud about this actually. I'm a Kannadiga too. Very nice place, and you will be very soon watching a time lapses now. Well, I'll be leaving Halebeedu now, and now I'm heading to Belur actually. So now heading to Beluru. Just now, like on the way now. I think it's around 18 kilometers or 15 kilometers around. Let's check it out. Kind of city road actually. I thought there might be some highway actually, but it's not. It's some city road. And this is very hot today. I thought it may rain today, but anyway it's completely different. It's completely unpredictable. This, my God, Bangalore, it's raining like hell, and here, oh my God, it's not raining at all. Not raining. There are no clouds either. My God.
I'm so in love with you. Leaning up. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love I'm so in love with you. Leaning up. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you.
I've reached Chennakeshava Temple here. Well, I couldn't make a vlog on the road. Anyway, the road was very flat, and anyway, it's good road actually from Halebeedu to Belur actually. So anyway, the road is very flat, and I thought it might be a waste of time doing that video. But anyway, this temple, I have to tell, this is way more better than what I saw in Halebeedu. But not compare, but anyway, it's a little bit more spacious, you can say. You'll be watching time lapse soon. So I'm out of Chennakeshava Temple. I'm heading to Halebeedu. From there I'll be going to Hassan. From there I'm going to Bangalore. Well, anyway, I had a plan to go to Chikmagalur as well. From there to Kurg, round trip. I'm not sure whether it will rain there or not. So I have not carried any rain cover gear with me. So I don't want to take any chances because on Monday I have to again move to office. I have to go to my office. I'm just thinking that next time will be like I'll not come alone. I'll be coming with someone so that we'll come full ready. Like we'll be having all the things set up without any compromise, you know. So let's head back. So finally out of Hassan now, heading back to the Bangalore. So came out of city. From here around it's 215 or 215 kilometers from now. I don't know at what time I'll reach, but anyway, as far as my estimation goes, I have to reach there by 9 o'clock or 9:30. Let's see what will happen. I should make less number of halts, then it may meet whatever my estimation is. Let's see. So I'm in Electronic City next to my home.